We're live at the RV show, Hershey, at the Giant Center, and we wanted to just jump on here real briefly while we have a little bit of internet connection, and we're going to go through just a few RVs live with you guys, and then of course we're shooting video. You can see Heidi's got the camera there. That'll be a video at a later time, but we wanted to touch base and say, hey, what's up on this beautiful day? It's 80 degrees.
80 plus.
80 plus. And yeah, we're gonna scoot through these couple units real quick and let you guys see what we're seeing before the crowds get here. We're actually here a day early for the media day, and there's a lot of nice things. Now, guess where we're at? Guess what we're looking at? You know what we're looking at. It's the same thing that we always look at, and unfortunately for us, we're addicted to it, I think. So we're going to buzz through real quick and look at the Rockwood fifth wheels. So let's go ahead and flip around and show you what we got in here. So as you guys see, this is kind of the Rockwood Row. We just filmed, and this will be on a future video, all these units that we've come down through here, starting small to go big, all the way up to this one. We haven't got to go through this one yet. There's people in there, but we wanted to show you the fifth wheel straight on. So fifth wheels. Got three of them to look at. We're going to go with this one first. I love the way this one looks. I think this is our favorite. That's at the show. You get your pass-through storage. You can see your converter over there because they're going to solar on a lot of these, and you want to be able to have the ability to run these things whenever you're stopped because of boondocking reasons. Moving inside though. Again, so far this is our favorite. It's a normal floor plan. There's nothing crazy about this floor plan. This is a traditional floor plan, let's say that. But the whole reason is, Heidi, tell them why this is our favorite.
The seating.
So Heidi can sleep on the couch and she can watch TV, and I can sit in the theater seating and watch TV. I'd probably change the dinette over to a desk maybe. It's hard telling. It's a fluid situation. I don't know if we need that big of a refrigerator. Might get a little bit of storage. Good pantry. Yeah, we like this one. Heidi likes the front of it also. Here's where we're getting into the bathroom. We'll show you that. Nice, right? Large. Not a walkthrough. So you got a little bit more privacy in there. But this area here, this is nice. This is really nice. Now, you're going to find that pretty much this has got a washer dryer combo set up on here. But look at all that room. You're going to find that there's basically a couple different bedroom setups that you can get. And you either have a bed slide, meaning the bed's on the slide, or you have one that the bed is north and south. And when you have that, then you have a wardrobe slide. When you have the wardrobe slide, you can walk into the bathroom from a couple different places, one from the bedroom or one from the hallway. That's still a thought with us. We're not 100% sure, but we wanted to show you this one, just give you an idea. We're not going to go over this in great detail, but just an overall look. You guys might be wanting to show up here at the show, but can't get out here, and we thought we would talk about it while we were here. Heidi loves the pantry, but she loves the seating the most by far.
I like the counter space too.
Oh yeah, that's true.
And we do have storage.
It's very open. It's very open.
Yeah.
The other thing, windows, and guess what? We're looking at our campsite, not the neighbors lounging in their chairs. That's the one thing that you get whenever you have like our unit with that super slide. I'm always seeing what the neighbors are doing. That's not always a bad thing. Sometimes that's free entertainment. But yeah, let's go ahead and go to the next one.
Boo again.
Oh, there she is. That was Alyssa from Rockwood. We were talking to her today. She's in marketing. We was also talking to Steve. Very interesting situation that we've got going on here with Rockwood, and we'll talk about that possibly in the future. So another big pass through here. You'll see these aren't drop down. They don't do a drop down in theirs. And this is actually a relatively short unit as far as towing and moving, but it does the job relatively quick. This is a very short unit. It's got to be only about 33 foot long, right?
Yeah.
Seating.
Very nice.
Yeah, direct over there. Plenty of kitchen for Heidi. Like you said, the one we have so small. And you can see 12-volt refrigerators. I love that. Good size, much bigger than the one we have. Lots of pantry. Other than office space and me working, I could sit here and do my work, but rather not. And then, of course, the bedroom itself, like I said, there's only two types. Either bed slide or wardrobe slide. This is the bed slide, just like the last one. Same with the bathroom. But if you're looking for a short fifth wheel, here you go. Now, let's go to the next one. Beautiful outside. I love the way they look on the outside too. There's a ton of points I'm just blowing over here. I just wanted to show you the units live though while we're out here. And here you have almost another favorite. If it wasn't for the seating, if we had a couch that Heidi could lay on and I had a seat that I could lounge on, she would probably pick this as her favorite. So if we did not have this type of dinette, if we had a freestanding dinette and I removed it and we put down a desk and maybe a recliner, sure, that's a possibility. You can watch TV, and there's plenty of kitchen in here. Big, nice corner pantry. It's just, it's a nice layout. But since we have to work from the road, I really can't do this. I need more than this. And again, I'm not telling you anything new. Another bed slide. So if you want to see our video on what the other type of bedroom looks like, we're going to be going to the Flagstaff, walking through all the Flagstaff models, and they have one that has the wardrobe slide, and it'll give you an idea of a different one, but that's going to be on our video. This is just us saying hello from Hershey. Hope you guys are all doing well, and know that we're out here talking to everyone that we run into, kind of like a meet and greet. And I think, like I said, I'd really like to use this one, but I don't think we can. So we're going to continue doing what we need to do to get you guys content, and we have a lot of work cut out for us because we're looking at potentially rain on tomorrow and the next day. I don't know how it's going to work out, but we'll pick this up on our video. Again, sneak peek, hi and bye. So we hope to see you out here.
Bye.
Bye.